discussing the ovarian cycle. So it all begins with FSH secreted by the pituitary gland, which stimulates the development of follicles. Then one follicle starts to enlarge, and then within that follicle is a cell which will now undergo meiosis. And then as the follicle enlarges, it goes from primary follicle to secondary follicle or graphene follicle and starts to secrete estrogen, which prepares the endometrium. Then the cell in the follicle continues to develop, goes through meiosis, forms 4 daughter cells, and then 3 of them break down, but only one matures to form an ovum. And then due to LH, which is secreted by the pituitary gland as well, it stimulates ovulation, which means this graphene follicle now will burst, releasing our haploid ovum. Then LH also stimulates the conversion of the remains of the graphene follicle into the corpus luteum. And then it is the corpus luteum which will secrete progesterone. Then progesterone takes over the function of estrogen and maintains the endometrium by filling it up with blood. So now we have an available ovum. So which means if that ovum meets a sperm cell and fertilization takes place, that means the corpus luteum will continue to grow so that we can have enough progesterone to maintain the pregnancy. But in this case, as the diagram you can see, the corpus luteum actually decreases in size. So therefore it means the ovum was not fertilized, and therefore fertilization did not occur, and therefore this female is not pregnant, and therefore the corpus luteum will degenerate or break down or become smaller in size, and therefore the progesterone level decreases, and then the process starts again as FSH is no longer inhibited from being secreted in the hypophysis of pituitary gland.